Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel 3R Studio bosku. Pada siang hari ini Selasa tanggal 26 Juli tahun 2022, kita berada di Terminal Bareh Solok. Baru saja masuk satu unit Palala dari perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya di Terminal Bareh Solok. Palala E07 dengan julukan Jalapatih pada pukul 15:35. Palala Jalapatih menjadi yang perdana dan yang tercepat masuk Terminal Bareh Solok dari perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya pada hari ini bosku.
Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions.
Family Rea ceria meninggalkan Terminal Bareh Solok menuju daerah tujuan perantauan Yogyakarta Solo. Masuk lagi satu unit Palala dari perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya di Terminal Bareh Solok bosku. Palala E04 Reborn pada pukul 15:45. Dua unit Palala, Palala Jalapatih dan Palala Reborn menjadi dua unit bus Sumbar yang perdana dan tercepat masuk Terminal Bareh Solok pada hari ini dari perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya bosku.
Nights, long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Pasar de Sultan dengan julukan Bareh Solok meninggalkan terminal Bareh Solok menuju Jakarta Bogor. Setelah selesai menurunkan penumpang, dua unit Palala meninggalkan terminal Bareh Solok melanjutkan perjalanan menuju daerah tujuan Payakumbuh Bukit Tinggi. Diawali oleh Palala Jalapatih, diikuti oleh Palala Reborn. ALS Novin 285 meninggalkan terminal Bareh Solok menuju Pulau Jawa.